So we got the local goats eating grass. Like that's mama goat up there, and she look like she pregnant. She mama goat. Hey, little baby there. Today we haven't had rain for 3 days, so it's finally dry enough that we've got the guys out here installing our electrical poles. That pole back there is the main pole, and with the poles coming across here 25 meters across, which is about 80 feet. And so they're concreting them in, and then they will run the electrical wire to the top. So we'll come all the way down to the end of the property. That one's a little crooked. Maybe they did that to go through these mangoes and the bamboo. This is the edge of our property running down through here. It's where they're running the lines next to the rice fields. And they're going all the way down on the inside of the property, down to our property. Visited 5 different places to get all the permits in order for the electrical company to come out and do inspections so we could get approval to start this project. So between the rain and the mud, we're finally getting our electrical line in. We're supposed to finish this today. So right now it's about 2 o'clock in the evening, and we'll see how it goes. We got the crew chief and 4 helpers doing this. That's the old house, caretaker's house of the mango trees. And they're getting ready to do a second spray on the mangoes, and then they will harvest them. So we got the worker here. We cut across through this grass. Watch that it don't sink in the mud, because under the trees it's still muddy. This was a place here where there was a guy, he and his wife were burning the trees to make charcoal. So you can still see the water sitting around. And here they are. Say hello, guys. They working hard. That's hard work. They're carrying rocks and concrete, setting these poles.
You vlogging?
Yeah. You want to sing a song? Yeah, so he's going after water to mix the concrete. There was a contractor out here filling this pond, but it got too muddy to get their trucks in, so that was halted. You can see one of the poles laying there, so they still have a ways to go, but we're happy that it's finally happening. Getting electricity to the property is very important for us, so then we can have a well put in, start running power tools to continue on the bill once it gets dry enough for them to deliver construction materials. Oh well. One thing you learn in the Philippines is patience. So I don't know how they do it in the heat. They're carrying gravel there for the cement, and they do about a half a pack, so that's about 30 pounds. And this is the boss here. You getting tired, Bo?
Yes.
Yeah. So yeah. There's a caribou over there eating. They let them out under the trees here to keep grass chewed down. And then our property is about right there where you see that little bit of daylight.